Hey y'all. So I started off with my hair already up in a ponytail and my edges already snatched, and I'm going to go in with this Kanakaline hair and I'm going to separate it into three and begin braiding it in to my real hair. If you guys want a video on how I actually braid, like a detailed video on how I learned to braid, let me know in the comment section below and I will do that for y'all. So I'm going to be adding hair for length because I love this like lemonade Beyonce inspired braid and down to my waist and everything, you know. So I wanted it to be really, really long. And I'm just going to continue braiding all the way down to the ends of the hair. So you can leave your braid just like this, but of course, you know, your girl is extra. So I decided to go in with some twine string, like hair detailing. I got this from my local beauty supply store for like $1 or $2, something like that. I think it was $1. I love the gold one, but I ran out. So just to give you guys an idea of what it would look like, I added the silver one. Moving on to look 2. I took the Kanakaline hair with the rubber band already on it and I wrapped it around my ponytail 3 times, my helpless little ponytail, and I tucked it. And then I took some smaller rubber bands and I wrapped it around the entire hair. And then I went in again and I kept on doing that, and I spaced the hair out a little bit. You see how the sections are making like little sections. So put the rubber band, wrap it around twice, go down a bit, put another rubber band, wrap it around twice, and do that all the way until you get to the bottom portion of the hair. And you can do this as separated as you want or as together as you want. I just wanted to, you know, not do mine too close together, but not too far apart. Then I went in with the rest of the gold twine that I had, and I wrapped it all the way at the bottom just for a little, you know, extra spice or whatever. And then I knotted it up 2 times at the bottom, and then I flipped it over and just hid my sad little ponytail. And I just, you know, scrunched it out, and this is the second look. Moving on. Look 3 is a goddess like fishtail braid, and basically fishtailing is pretty simple. It just takes practice. You split the hair into 2. And then from each section on the outer side of the 2 sections, you take a piece, you add it. Outer section, grab a piece, add it to the other side. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just watch the video, you'll kind of get an idea. If you want a more detailed video on how to do this, let me know as well. But I did that all the way until I got to the bottom, and then I got kind of lazy and I just started regular braiding. It really didn't matter to me. I wasn't going nowhere. This is all for the sake of the video. But I then ended up taking little small pieces of hairs out because I wanted this goddess braid to look really goddess-like. So just for a little detailing, I took a piece out from the top, a piece out from the side, a piece out from the back, from the bottom, and then I turned it around, and instead of flipping it over, I just turned it around, tucked my braid underneath, and added a bobby pin to secure it. Then I went in with some curling rods, and those pieces that I took out, I just curled them around the curling rod, made sure that it was secure. I did it to the rest of them, and then I went ahead and put that into some hot water. I just put it in my microwave, and then, you know, it was hot enough. Then when I let it go, I had this pretty little curly situation, and it just added some detail to the fishtail. You don't have to do this, but this is the look that I'm showing you guys how to do. And then I just added some gold details to the braid. Really, really cute, really, really simple, really, really cheap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything used in this video was under $3, including the hair, and I got it all from my beauty supply store. So check yours out, recreate these looks, tag me in your pictures, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. The good thing about this hairstyle is I could just